Linking your bank to your Humana online account is a straightforward process that allows for easy management of your health insurance payments and transactions. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your Humana account. Visit the Humana website and log in using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by following the registration process. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Once logged in, locate the payment or billing section in your account dashboard. This is typically found in the main menu or under account settings. Step 3. Select bank account linking. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank information, review the details and click on the Confirm or Save button. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to your Humana online account, making it more convenient to manage your health insurance payments.